Anna and the Friendly Shadow. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna. Anna lived in a small, quiet house at the edge of a peaceful town. She had big, curious eyes and a heart full of questions. Anna loved stories, moonlight, and quiet evenings. But Anna was afraid of one thing: the shadow. Every night when the sun went down and the moon came up, shadows appeared on the walls of her room. They moved slowly when the trees outside danced in the wind. Sometimes they looked big. Sometimes they looked strange. Anna would pull her blanket up to her chin and whisper, "Please go away." One night, Anna's mother kissed her goodnight and turned off the light. The room became quiet. The moonlight came through the window, and a shadow appeared on the wall. Anna's heart started beating fast, but then something strange happened. The shadow waved. Anna blinked her eyes. Did you just wave?" she asked softly. The shadow nodded. Anna was surprised, but she was also curious. "Are you scary?" Anna asked. The shadow slowly shook its head. "I am not scary," the shadow said in a gentle voice. "I am just lonely." Anna sat up in her bed. "Lonely?" she asked. "Yes," said the shadow. "Everyone runs from me. No one talks to me." Anna thought for a moment. "I was scared of you," she said honestly, "but you don't sound scary." The shadow smiled. "Thank you for listening," the shadow said. "My name is Lumo." "Hello, Lumo," Anna said. "My name is Anna." From that night on, Anna and Lumo became friends. Every night when the moon came out, Lumo visited Anna's room. They talked about many things. Anna told Lumo about her school, her friends, and her dreams. Lumo told Anna about the night sky, the quiet streets,